One day, Akbar wanted to test Birbal.
Birbal, we have the exact count of rivers, ponds, people and everything except for birds. So, I give you the responsibility of counting the birds.
The Emperor is trying to test me. Let me see tomorrow. Yes, my lord. I will tell you tomorrow.
Next day, in the court,
Tell me, Birbal, have you finished counting the birds?
Yes, my lord. 8,000 parrots, 10,000 crows, 3,000 cranes, 412 peacocks, and 3,412 doves.
I accept your count, but if there is any difference, then be ready to face severe punishment.
Yes, my lord. But this is yesterday's count. Today, few birds might have flown out. Some birds might have flown in from other places. And few might have been born today. So, there will be a difference in the count. If you take into account all these, the count will be exact.
You have proved your intelligence again, Birbal.
This was the real intelligence of Birbal. If anyone wanted to prove Birbal was wrong, he must prove it by actually counting the birds, which was an impossible task.
Kids, repeat the words after us. Census.
Census means a periodic count of the population.
Census means a periodic count of the population.
Now it's my turn. Think and answer. How many peacocks did Birbal declare?
412.
Excellent! You have watched the stories carefully.